In today's video, let me show you how to use Binance Copy Trading feature. So if you're trying to copy trade within the Binance platform, let me quickly show you on how it is done. So within the Binance mobile app, you simply need to head over to the futures tab that you should be able to see on the bottom. And if this copy trade option is straight away not visible on the top, tap on the three lines on the top right. And right here, you should be able to see the option called copy. You can simply head over to the copy option, and all of the copy traders or the traders that provide the service are going to be visible on this list. So you can scroll through and take a look at someone's profile and basically view their performance. You would be able to view their win rate, as well as you can view the maximum drawdown history as well. So using this information, you can pick a trader that you can copy. And if you do agree and want to copy this trader, you can simply tap on the copy now option, which will then let you copy their entire profile and simply paste it into your own. And you can either pick the fixed amount or the fixed ratio depending upon what you want, and then enter the total amount of funds that you want to separate for this particular trader. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use the Binance Copy Trading feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.